Cherera, you may continue.
Thank you. We did submit a written memorandum to the committee, and we stand by that. We only want the good of the commission and our country. What we as the 4 commissioners were taken through is not something that we wish any other commissioner when appointed to be taken through what we went through. So in the good faith of our country, we want the next generation of commissioners at IBC be people that will be handled with integrity that it deserves. And their voice will not be shut down, because as commissioners, we were there in the kitchen. We know what happened. Some of these things need to be spoken in a safe space. Commissioners, past and every generational commissions, and even to make it wider, the constitutional commissions that are there, they have something to give back to our country. Having commissioners and chasing them away, we lose a lot of the investment that the country puts on them. We only wish that we can have a safe space to talk about these things.
Recording in progress.
So that any other commissioner that is employed at IBC will not be there just because of the salary, but will be there to ensure that things are done right and integrity is preserved. Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner Cherera. Commissioner Masit. She disappeared again. Commissioner Masit. Is she the one in steps? Yes. She muted again. Text her if she's somewhere.
Okay. Hello?
Can we ask you a question before you disappear? Maybe you hear Commissioner Masit.
Masit is back.
Yeah.
Can you hear me, please?
We can hear you now.
We can hear you, Masit.
You can hear me?
We can hear you. If you don't mind, if you can touch your video icon.
Thank you so much. Yes, it's the wind where I am. Thank you, bipartisan committee. Thank you, all members, for giving us this opportunity. I want to just say a few words, because as you know, I still have a case in court. I have appealed at the Human Rights and Constitutional Court on my removal, and some things are being canvassed in court. But I want to say in brief, what was done in Farmers was not verification and tallying of elections. When you were announcing all of us, what you were announcing were unwritten summaries, which were to be taken, to be typed, and to be brought back for commission, and each commissioner to check what they had written and what they had been typed, if it is in order. It went one way. Two, when the results came, it came only in 3 pages. And it was a summary in counties which exceeded 100%. That's what the dispute started from. How could we announce results which are over 100% and we have not been given Form 34C or summaries we wrote from constituencies to confirm whether what we announced and what has been typed is the same? Up to today, we've never seen from 34C. Again, what happened in Farmers, we had not finished even announcing 27 constituencies. The screen was technically put up for Kenyans not to see what was going on, and when we asked it, it became an issue. Informers who were removed from our committees. I chair Legal Affairs Committee. That's what I used to chair. But 1 week to election, chairman wrote us letters, putting me logistics, welfare, and security into one day, putting Cherera at the communication center, Nyangaya protocol, to remove us from results, and assigns results to Collier and Marchand only, with letters written specifically which are part of the process which are in court. We were never involved, we were never told anything, and when we wanted to say it, they said we wanted to overturn the people. Yet, when the security team came, there were no results, there was nothing, you could not even talk of results because at that time there were no results. If anything, they just said there was tension in the country and there was no stream showing and we are taking so long. We should answer to ease the tension in the country. So up to now, we don't know the results, and it's very important that we audit these results. Very, very important, because when we audit and even made open to everybody, even those people who have been elected and who lost as MPs, and even others, they will know their results. Because I want to say, this was not tallying, there was no verification, it was just, it is not, I don't know what to say about it as a commission. It's a shame for our country. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Commissioner Masit. And Cherera, please, we'll ask you to just stay online. We take a few questions.
Yeah, I want to go first. Why are you not here with us? Is it because of security concerns on the part of two of you? Of course, we take note of what Commissioner Masita said. Some of the matters are still in court. But for the benefit of the country, are you safe? Why are you out of the country? Thank you.
Yes, Chair.
Maybe first confirm whether you're out of the country.
I'm outside of the country for security reasons.
Okay.
Remember, I come from Rift Valley. Before that, even they said I betrayed the community. In the Facebook, in all social media, I was saying, I've never stepped in my home since that time. I've never even gone beyond my room. That time, I got calls, people telling me to drop the case. What am I doing? So many things, but I believe it's my constitutional right because I know what I did and what I didn't do. So it is because of security reasons. I'm out of the country and we're not doing even well because even the salaries we had, they were stopped. Even the 1/3 when I'm doing the case. So we are living at the mercy of people outside. So Commissioner Cherera talk on a cell, but mine is a long story. I don't want to say so many details because I told you other cases, but it's because of security reasons. Thank you.
Irene, this is Eugene Wamala. We're in college together.
We are actually the same year.
You're on campus together at the university. Yes, you know, Ishunga likes saying the school because we went to our land, but I was at the University of Nairobi. We're very sorry to hear that.
On a light note, at least now we know how you know Commissioner Irene.
We are... No, Irene, we are sorry to hear that you're out of the country. And literally from what you explained, because the whole country is listening, it's like you're in exile or something. Did you receive specific threats? What about your family? Are they in the Rift Valley? Have they also moved out of the country with you? And is Commissioner Cherera also under the same situation, being away from the country, not by choice, but literally in exile? Is that the situation with Commissioner Cherera as well? And sorry.
Thank you, Co-Chair, for that question. It's a very emotive question. You heard when Commissioner Masit was responding. She was really